Did you know you can learn how to draw amazing portraits? All you need is the right online courses to become better at it. What about me? I don't know about you. You always try but never learn. Even you can learn, I think. Anyway, go to portraitartacademy.com. There you'll find hundreds of videos and tutorials for an affordable price. No, stop, back up. Yeah, no, stop, no. Stop. Hey, what's happening? This idiot, man. He won't look into his rearview mirror. So now he backed all the way up, he backed into a wall. That sounds like it's really bad. La vache sacre bleu. It's not as bad as you think, but it's definitely a wrong move. Doesn't he have a bit more experience than that? Well, you see, even if you're the most experienced person in the world, you still have to look and aim and be exact. Aiming is everything, you know? Whether it's shooting a gun, a zombie in a video game, or a basketball in a hoop. It's all about aiming. It's the same thing in construction, man. You put it in the wrong place, bang, you're done. You're 1 inch off, well, might as well start over. That is what I always say too. Art is accuracy. I am always sloppy, but I don't care. But you should care. Well, I don't. But you should. Make me. No job for you in construction then. Good. I don't want a job in construction anyway. Okay, so tell me, what do you want to do for a living? I don't want to work. I just want the money to come to me. You mean that your mommy and daddy will pay you for your expenses for the rest of your life? That doesn't sound very manly. You'll turn into a wimp or something. No, whore. I won't. Did you just call me a whore? No, in Dutch we just say that to people. What? Calling them a whore? It's an expression, but it doesn't mean whore. It means something like I can assure you, or rest assured, or I'm telling you. Oh, for a moment I thought you were getting a little hostile there. No, whore. I'm not getting hostile. Can you just eliminate the word or from your vocabulary? It is not the same in English. Fine. Well, what I meant was that, well, let me put it this way. Have you ever heard of the law of attraction? Isn't that the book that got heavily promoted, like The Secret? Yes, that's the one. Yeah, I'm a bit skeptical about that one too. See? That's why you are not rich. If you do not believe it, it will not happen. You got a pretty big mouth, Vincent. Tell me, are you rich or something? Nope, but I will be. Okay, but how? I will attract the money from the universe. If I just send out positive vibes, the vibration will attract wealth and posterity. You mean prosperity. What did I say? You said posterity. That means like offspring or children. Oh no, I meant money. What's another word again? Oh yes, abundance. Anyway, this is not going in the right direction. I am trying to have hope for this kid, but I'm starting to give up. If you attract money, money will come to you. Just ask the universe. That's the biggest nonsense I've ever heard. Ever heard of taking a risk, finding an opportunity, hard work, huh? Giving the market what they want, connections, luck, strategy? What about planning? You're trying to say that the universe, or asking the universe or whatever, is the equivalent of any business or investment action or advice out there? That's just dumb. No, it's better. I hate to burst your bubble, Vincent, but even if you believe in terminology like that, I still think they indicate in books and courses and shows and whatever, like those things, or whatever they're selling you, that you have to take action. Just sitting on your butt and dreaming about it all day won't help you in the long run. But it could. It probably won't. It definitely won't. Look, anyone can have luck. But you improve your chances if you do something. It is the same way with art. Do you really think you can make art just by asking the universe? Of course. Wrong. You have to move your eyes to observe, your arm to paint or draw something. There is work involved, whether you like it or not. Hey, I'm going to do a drawing. Achoo! Bless you, sois béni. Oh, hey, cat, look at that. All you have to do is ask the universe. I just asked for it for the universe, and it made me sneeze, and perfect drawing. I sneezed, and then my pencil accidentally moved all over the place, and it made this perfect drawing. See? So it's all true. You just have to ask the universe. Wow, je suis impressionné. It is like a miracle. Oh, come on. Mere coincidence, that's all it is. That is a crazy coincidence. I'm actually tempted to say that I'm almost convinced. It was a natural reaction. Who sneezes and then gets a figurative drawing out of it, huh? Only me, because I ordered it from the universe. I do not understand. It is strange. But I am open, but a little skeptical still. Yeah, me too. I'm not buying it. Nonsense. I don't believe in that stuff. You know, I was skeptical at first too. Until I noticed that when... Uh-oh. Show us the drawing this time. I don't think I want to show it. Show us! I want to see if it worked again. No, it is no big deal. Listen, buddy, unless you show us what happened to you from the universe, nobody's going to believe your little attraction law story. Just show the stupid image already. Okay. Look. It doesn't look like anything. What? You are right. It is complete garbage now. See? I told you. Just coincidence, nothing more. You should probably get some allergy medication. You are sneezing a lot, you know. Yes, you are probably right. I think so too. I just think that... Wait, look, this is good, yes. Get out of here. Enough is enough. No. I am not looking at another sneeze-done coincidence charcoal drawing. Hey, but it turned out so nicely. Come on.